Level 1. Let's go. Reach it to the ground. Alternating those feet. 5 repetitions, if you like, on each side. Just loading into that lunge. Loading out of it. Pushing up through those feet. Remember, it's level 1, so gentle. Let's go. Hit it posterior. Step back. Loading through that foot, ankle, knee, hip, glute. Smoothing the body. Nice and gentle here. Heart rate's coming up a little bit too. Good. Let's hit the frontal plane. Step on out with that right foot. Reach down to the ground. Alternated left leg. Try to drop that butt down. Bend through the knee. Bend through the ankle. We're working with our biomechanics here, so if things are a little wonky, that's cool. That's why you're here today. Conditioning. Conditioning with Chingy. Let's go. Opposite side lateral. Reach and touch towards the floor. If you can't go towards the floor, just go where you can. Challenging the balance here too. Listening to your body and flowing. Transverse plane, same side rotation. Let's go. Step it out, right foot, reach down, left foot. Finding a depth that feels good for you here. Go where you're successful. Think loading and then exploding out of that motion. Everything's working together here. That front foot is trying to stay planted through all these motions. Let's go. Opposite side rotation. It's your last one. Hit it. Alternate it. Getting into those hips here. Ooh, if you feel a little pop, that might be nice. Cracks. Opening up that low back. You're almost there. And boogie. Yeah. Nice job, guys. Level 1 complete.